Alright, so you all think I pick on Kevin, but like seriously? I'm not sure why. I don't know why. Explain it. Alright, so we're gonna continue on. Alright, so here we come. Alright. Yes. Yes. Hello, little girl. And then we got the ducky. Aflac. Another duck. Come here, big boy. Tell me all about it. Yes, he's about 50 pounds. Come on. Give me a stink eye. There you are. He's just a little fella. Hi, guys. They're all making all the noise because they think I want to feed them. That's what they think. Oh. And these are my lavenders. I got rid of all my roosters. Right there's my silkies and my laces. And that one back there is just a crow. That's not a chicken. It's a crow. Looks like a crow. Acts like a crow. It's a crow. But I bought it from Tractor Supply, so it's my crow. Huh, crow? I know, you all. And they have a doghouse. All of my onion are underwater and my corn. Get a few things growing over here. We had a corn crop up here for no random reason. It's in with some flowers. And these are all flowers. Hi, girls. Say hello. Yeah, your dirt turned into mud and you love it. Yeah, turkeys are pretty gross. That's the way they roll. They got in trouble. They were picking on my silkies, so they had to come into this pen. So, with the other girls. So that's what we're looking like right now. I hope everybody else is doing well. I am thankful for the water. I'm not going to moan and groan about there being too much of it because I hope it rains again today. It looks like it might. Say goodbye, girls. Gobble, 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 gobble. I heard him, but he never does it when I'm right there. Let's see if he'll give us a gobble, gobble before we go in. Gobble, 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 gobble. You want to give me a gobble, 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 gobble? Oh, his head's so purple. He's so upset. Are you upset? Are you upset? Tell him I'm beautiful. I'm the most gorgeous thing alive. I'm not letting you out. But here you go. Have a nice day. Hi, Affleck.